So they asked me, what's the South Carolina style? The sound. What's the sound here in South Carolina? And I don't care if you do hip hop, R&B, gospel. If you're independent, the sound or just the sound here is, oh, baby, oh, I love you, honey. Yeah. Ooh. It gotta sound like it's in a dark shack, a club with old, ugly women in tight clothes, lots of cigarettes, and lots of liquor. That's the feeling of the blues. And I'm talking about young people. This young people sound like that, yo. Like, they be like 30 and sound 50, or 25 and sound 40. So that's the South Carolina sound.